Hello guys, I'm Faraz the Options Guy and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, markets opening with a gap up, right? But could not sustain themselves, right? And this is and markets are actually at a very interesting place because we need to see, do the market sustain these levels? What happens tomorrow? Because what happens usually on a Friday is that we see very big moves in a single direction. Like lately, that has been the trend, right? We on a Friday we see good moves on either side, right? So what we can do over here is very simple. First of all, if you see, right, on the previous Friday also we saw a very good move on the upside. So tomorrow is a very good place for Bank Nifty to either move up or down, right? So what you can do is very simple. First of all, looking at the price action, if you see Bank Nifty open with a gap up, more it was sustaining itself at higher levels till like the second half, but then the SBI results came in and then Bank Nifty kind of started moving down, right? And now Bank Nifty has finally, filled this gap, and this gap could act as a support if tomorrow we open somewhere near 43,900, 44,000, and just stay in this range, right? Again, talking about Nifty was definitely way more negative than Bank Nifty, and I said that yesterday also that Nifty has given way more negative closing, so do not expect Nifty to be very, like strong even after opening. And as I said, right, Nifty should sustain at these levels and only then will we look out for a breakout on the upside, right? But if you see pretty much Nifty also, you know, could not sustain these higher levels. We opened with a gap up and then pretty much we made a very clean price action in Nifty, and you guys could have also made a very good trade, sorry, a very good profit if there was also a trend line going on over here. So yeah, you could have traded on the breakdown of this trend line and then made some good profit. But anyways, what can we do for tomorrow is very simple over here in Nifty. First of all, below 18,100 is where you guys can go ahead and sell. 18,105 is where you guys can go ahead and take a bearish trade till 18,050 to 18,040, right? Not even 18,050, till somewhere near 18,020, because from here Nifty could pretty much show another down move because this is not a very good price action. And if we break this low, then we could continue this down move and make a new low somewhere near till 18,000, right? So tomorrow if you open flat, just spend a few candles over here before going down, then you guys can expect again a low till somewhere near 18,000. Yeah, the move will be a little bit slow, but yeah, you can expect some price action like this itself, right? Maybe tomorrow the move might not be like such a clean move, but yeah, you still can expect a good price action. Again, in Nifty now 18,260 becomes very important, and from here is only when we'll go ahead and take a bullish position. Before that, we will not think of taking any bullish positions in this area. If we open with a gap up and spend some time over here itself, we'll still not take any trades, because if you open with a gap up, then things will be volatile. So tomorrow I would recommend you guys to not take any bullish positions on the upside, even if we open with a gap up somewhere near 18,260, because things will be a little bit volatile. So we'll wait a day and see where Nifty makes a few swings, and then we'll take some bullish trades on Monday. Talking about Nifty, if we open with a gap down somewhere near 18,080 to 70, then wait for a pullback, right? If you see bearish price action being made somewhere near 18,120 to 18,100 in 5 minutes chart, then you guys can go ahead and take a bearish trade over here in Nifty. Talking about Bank Nifty is definitely way more stronger than Nifty. So either Bank Nifty is gonna sustain these levels and take Nifty up with itself, or Bank Nifty is gonna give a very big, right? So we could see a very big down move in Bank Nifty if Nifty could not sustain itself, because Bank Nifty, there are a lot of people who are still carrying bullish positions since Bank Nifty is near its all-time high. So they will need to give up their positions, and Bank Nifty could fall a lot in the coming days, right? If Nifty drags Bank Nifty down. So again, very simple in Bank Nifty, below 43,700 is where you guys can go ahead and take a bearish trade. Your target will become 43,500 if we sustain near 43,500. If we do not instantly reverse from 43,500, then you guys can hold your positions, because then we can expect a very good down move from here in Bank Nifty easily till 43,000. Because if we sustain near 43,500, right, what will happen is that a lot of people will add their buy positions, right? But what is happening is that a lot of sellers are also coming into the picture, right? And a lot of people have already carried buy positions with an SL of 43,500. So if we break 43,500 after spending some time over here, then we can see a very, very, very big down move easily till 43,000 on the downside, right? So yeah, if we sustain and do not instantly reverse from here, you guys can hold your bearish positions for the coming days till 43,000 on the downside, right? Again, on the upside, we'll only buy above 43,070, 43,080, because this is the place where all the people have kept their stop losses, right? And even if you open the gap up somewhere near 43,980 to 44,000, right? Somewhere near 44,000, let the market stay over here for some time, because again, if you open with a gap up somewhere exactly near 44,100 and all these levels, a lot of people will start booking their bullish positions, right? Because we are straight up opening near the all-time high. So again, something like this could happen where we go up and then pretty much go down, and you might get trapped over here. So again, if we open with a gap up, let the market sustain over here for some time, maybe even just like maybe an hour would also be fine, right? If we see a breakout after 10 a.m. in Bank Nifty, then you guys can go ahead and take a trade. Do not go instantly taking a trade after the opening, because then very well you guys could go ahead and get trapped over here, right? Again, on the downside, if we open the gap down somewhere near 43,600, then pretty much things could be volatile, because then there is resistance on the upside and support on the downside. So we'll need to see how 43,500 acts in Bank Nifty, right? Because then, pretty much if we stay near 43,500 for some time, then you guys can make bearish positions as soon as we break 43,500. If we open flat again, as I said, below 43,700, you guys can go ahead and make bearish trades, right? So yeah, I guess that was it for tomorrow. And yeah, this is a place where either Bank Nifty will take Nifty up, or Nifty will drag Bank Nifty down big time, right? So yeah, kind of stay alert, and in a few days we most probably could get a very good selling trade, either on the downside or a buying trade on the upside, depending on where the market moves. And yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.